here on behalf of my group to present the idea of Vote Our Vote. India has always been a young country, and like every other developing nation, we are steadily getting older. Voting is the first step of interaction with our government. The right to vote is a very powerful weapon in the hand of people. To maintain the equilibrium between the government and the voters, many reforms have been introduced. Despite all those reforms, our voting scenario is just 68.3% in the year 2014. What could be the possible reason behind this scenario? People make the right use of their voting right? Not always. They prefer sitting back at home rather than coming to the voting booths. What if we provided them with a method by which they can sit back at their home and give the votes? They do not stand in the long queues or they don't need to come to the voting booth. All they need is their service. So here comes the concept of digital voting. Now, there might be some questions in your mind that how this idea works and things like that. So let me make it very clear. All the voter needs is a smart card that will be provided to them. The smart card will have the details that are already present on their voter ID card along with the biometrics. A database will be maintained by the Election Commission of India where the data of voters will be stored. Voters need to fill their registration form to get their smart card. All entries are checked by the database that are already has information about the voters. If all the entries are correct, then user ID and password is provided to the voter. He can make use of that user ID and password to cast his vote. Now, when it comes to voting, there are two methods that the voter can opt for voting. Firstly, he can vote online by going on the website that will be provided to him by the Election Commission of India, or he can just send an SMS to the Election Commission of India. For the process of security, we have provided the voters with a unique code. This code is distinctive to all the voters. At the time of online voting, he needs this code to enter the gateway that will be open for him just for 1 minute. And during voting with the phone, all he needs to do is to use that code and send the SMS. Once his vote is registered, he cannot log in into his account as his session has expired for the election season. Similarly, people have multiple mobile numbers, so you might be thinking that they can send multiple messages, or messages means votes, so they can send multiple